Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a little SD card like this on your Motorola phone. So it's very easy to open this up. You might have got this little equipment with your phone, and this is an SD card opener. And just look at the side of your phone. You should be able to find a small little tray here with a little hole next to it. Now you might find a hole on the top, and this is going to be for your microphone, so don't place it in there. So I can see it's right here. And then I can place this in, and it should pop it open. So let's do this now. And it might be difficult. There we go. So I got it in, and let go. And I can take this tray out. Now you're going to see, depending on your setup, you might not even have an SD card, and you're going to be very sad when you do this. So you can see the bottom one is for my SIM card, and then here's the SD card. Different sizes. So you might have to flip this tray around to actually insert this. So this one is 512. I bought this for about 35 bucks. And I think you can get about 1 terabyte for around 45 bucks to 50 bucks if you find a good deal. So just place it in here, make sure it's flat, and then we can slide it into the side. And as soon as you slide in, you should be able to use it and transfer photos to it. Otherwise, you can start taking videos directly to the SD card. So I have it in now. Now let's start using it. Let's swipe up from the bottom and then go to Files. And we can just verify that we have it on our phone. So under Files, let's go back. Back. Here's the main Files menu. We can see under All Storage, I have internal storage, 596 megabytes free, SD card, 492 gigabytes free. So a lot of stuff. So we can select this and we can see all the different folders. And if you move something, move it to the DCIM folder. This is going to show up in your galleries. And then you can actually view your photos on there. So you can transfer your photos by just simply going to All Storage. And then going down to DCIM. And then locate camera. Now you can do this with other categories too. And then you can just go to the top right and go to Select All. And then transfer it over. That would work too. Otherwise, let's see if we can do that under here. We can transfer this entire folder too. We can go to Move To. But that'd take way too long for me to transfer like a billion photos. So let's just go to one of these videos or photos. So this doesn't look like it's anything. So tap the 3 little dots and then go to Move To. SD card, choose the SD card. And then locate DCIM. And then you might want to make a new folder under there. I already did. I just named it SD card. Very basic. And then move here. Now, if you go to move, this means that your photo is going to move and it's going to delete it. If you want to keep a copy of it, go to copy. Now you should be able to go to your gallery. And we can swipe up. You can locate gallery. Just type it in gallery. Now, if you don't have gallery, like this Motorola for some reason doesn't have gallery, we can just download it from the Google Play Store. Now you can see this photo I just transferred over here. I'm not sure what that is, but we can go on down to folders now, and you can see my SD card folder in here wherever I have it listed. So where's SD card? And it's right here. So you can see SD card, made a new folder, and then we can just transfer all our pictures and stuff into there. So very simple to do. Now, you can go to the Google Play Store here and just get gallery. Just type in gallery under search down here. And you can see all these different gallery applications. I just got the Google one, gallery. This is going to be different than Google Photos. It's going to be a lot more basic. And it's not going to upload your data to the cloud or anything. So don't get Google Photos. You can probably just delete that off your phone. That's going to upload everything to the cloud. And it's going to ask you for cloud storage and stuff. Just get gallery. One of these gallery applications will be fine. 4.8, 10 million downloads. We can install this one and open it up. Works well. So just look at it. You can also transfer your photos under those gallery applications instead of using the internal storage like I just showed you. And that's very easy to do. I'll show you how to do it real quick. Let's go to gallery. Here it is. And then we can just pick a different photo. Let's go to the covers. Hold down on it, 3 dots, move to folder, and move to the SD card folder where we have it on here. And then boom, it's moving over. So Very simple. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.